changing any currencies. We are not here because we want you to move out of your currency, but we are creating a rail where we can easily move from the Nigerian naira to the Ghanaian cedis or to the Kenyan shillings. Dr. Muhammad Awal. I'm the country lead for Ubuntu Tribe and I've been with the company for at least 4 years now. In Nigeria, we have a pipeline of at least 40 partners that we are currently engaging with, which many of you here actually represent those partnerships that we're having, right? So I'll be going through the slides as you can see, but trust me, I'm not going to bore you with what is on the screen. First and foremost, every individual understands that gold holds real value, but putting the numbers on the screen, I believe, has given you a better picture of how gold has performed, at least in the last 50 years. So this slide was presented to talk about our engagement in Africa. And you can see that first, for over 500 years, gold has always been the, real store of value, the asset that is used as an exchange medium between countries, between individuals. Whether you're talking about the trans-Saharan trade or the transatlantic trade, gold has been the medium of exchange. And what we stand at Ubuntu to also explain, which you have seen in 1971, for example, in Nigeria, if you take the value of gold, a kilogram of gold was valued at around 800 to 1,000 naira per kilogram. Today, as we speak, it's over 200 million naira. There is nothing better that has performed in this last 50 years as gold. But the next thing is we're looking at the rails for GIFT. GIFT is Gold International Fungible Token, which is the LBMA standard gold by which our token is actually backed by. So each GIFT token represents 1 milligram of gold that is vaulted around the world. So with access to GIFT, we create a digital certificate of ownership, which is redeemable in at least 180 countries currently globally. We're present in 5 continents of the world, and our footprint in Africa includes Nigeria, where we are actively engaging with the Securities Exchange Commission to get our license. We have partners whom you are here with us today to show proof of the engagement that we've been doing in the last 4 years. Laws. In South Africa today, Ubuntu Tribe is listed as a Caste 1 license issuer. So basically, we are regulated to issue our tokens today in South Africa. We've also been accepted into the Kenyan sandbox. This also allows us to actually operate under the Virtual Assets Association of Kenya.
Wow.
So basically, we're not just tokenizing gold, but we will also be tokenizing securities through our Mauritius entity, which is the holding company for all these companies that are actually mentioned across Africa. So the whole idea is that we should be able to be physically present in all the 54 countries in Africa through one single movement using an asset that everybody understands. We are not changing any currencies. We are not here because we want you to move out of your currency, but we are creating a rail where we can easily move from the Nigerian naira to the Ghanaian cedis or to the Kenyan shillings. You will believe with me that as it stands today, you cannot move through any African currency without going through the US dollar. And that has created a huge FX pressure on our local currencies. And we can see how the values have been affected significantly because of that. So what GIFT is doing today is taking out the USD FX pressure and providing a rail where we can move easily within our countries in Africa to make trade possible. And this payment service providers give us access to this 180 countries I've talked about. We have over $500 million in trading volume through the Ubuntu group of companies. We're present in 5 regions of the world or continents of the world. And currently today, GIFT is available from 14 US dollar cents. In Nigerian naira terms, that is less than 200 naira. This means the trade in the markets in Ajebule, or the trader in Kwai Market in Kano, or Aba in Abia State, can be able to actually get their hands on gift gold to actually preserve the Olympics. In essence, we are Ubuntu Tribe, and together we rise. Thank you so much for listening. It's really great to have all of you here today.